Hi, this is Karen with WTI.
And this is the Doboli, a cell phone and iPad stand.
I really like how this stand helps me whenever I'm working on my desk, since I want to have my iPad almost to my eye level. The height can be adjusted, and that's the way I like to have my iPad. And also tilts. It tilts up until 45 degrees. I like the fact also the base is heavy enough to hold the iPad, so I don't feel like the iPad is sitting on this fragile stand. I also like this little feet are wide enough to hold the iPad with a case. Sometimes that's hard to find, and I really like that. So I feel that the rubber is strong enough. It has a really good, strong grip. So the tablet, whenever it's sitting on it, it doesn't feel like it's bubbling or it's gonna fall easily. And that's my point of view.